All right, everybody, let's go ahead and we're going to check out Katie's shop next. And Katie's got a Little Sir Studio. And you're welcome, Natalie. So, hello and welcome to Little Sir. And is that like Little Sir, California? Big Sur? Is Big Sur in California? I went to Big Sur. I guess Little Sir is Little Sir. I didn't know there was a Little Sir, but it makes sense. If there's a Big Sur, there's probably a Little Sir. It's my son's name. Ah, okay. So totally different. But I see you're in Washington, so I thought maybe it was maybe you were near it. There is a Big Sur. Okay. Is there a Little Sir? Do you know? I don't know. There is a Big Sur, and it's a pretty place. I remember driving along the coastline there. It was gorgeous. Just your 2-year-old. Okay. Well, he's the Little Sir that matters then. So let's check it out. We've got canvas, wall art, cloud painting, abstract art, original painting. You know, art is definitely one of the tricky things to find keywords for on Etsy because it's so subjective. How do you describe it? So we got some, man, these are cool. It's like a human color, pink. It's like a cloud, and then you've got all the rainbows going on it. Yeah, very, very cool. And it almost looks texturized. It almost looks like it's like fluffy. Oh, it's wood. Ah, okay. So let's see. Wall art. So is it on wood? It's wood. Oh, okay. I see. So that's like a wood streaks there. Okay, I kind of see it now. That's still so cool. And what is this printed on? Is it like on a canvas or something? You got 10 by 20, all the dimensions there. The original is wood. I'm selling canvas reproductions. Okay, very cool. Very cool. So, very nice. Very nice. I like it. Okay. Beautiful. Really, really cool piece of art. Float wood frame. There we go. And let's check the details. Here we go. Abstract original art canvas print with my head up in the clouds, archival canvas prints. We got a nice description here. Archival canvas, ready to hang. Add a floating frame. There we go. All right, great details. I love it. Simple to the point. And I like that you have a little story about how it was originally created too. So we've got framing options, we've got dimensions, and yeah, it looks good. So canvas wall art. Let's check this out. So listed today or renewed, canvas wall art, cloud painting. Yeah, it's definitely one that's a tricky one to really get the keywords right because it's what are going to be people searching for. I think of it more. It has a more psychedelic look than what I just think of, just canvas, wall art, cloud painting. When you look at canvas, wall art, cloud painting, we're seeing lots of clouds. So maybe we could, what are some other keywords? Psychedelic. How do you spell psychedelic wall art? Let's try that. Psychedelic wall art. So now we've got, a whole bunch of other stuff, and it's not quite, not saying it totally fits into this category, but, we're getting a lot more color. I feel like this one's at least closer than what we were looking at before with just clouds. So I think for you, it go in and try and find more keywords. And I would go ahead and get a whole bunch of different keywords because right up here, if we break this down, we've got just a couple of keywords here. Let's see. We've got canvas, wall art. We've got cloud painting, abstract art, original painting, and then wall decor art. So I would try and come up with some other ones like rainbow clouds, wood, rainbow art. You could even try trippy art. I figure out how to spell that word. Psychedelic art, colorful art, And then you only need to have like wall art in there once, but you can have all those other ones. And then you could also do, you know, and then you want to kind of hit the core keywords like wall art, painting. You could even try drawing. You know, these are just the different mediums. You can then you can try print. You can think of these like the nouns, like the different ways. Someone could say that's a print, that's a drawing. You could try canvas. And one of the ways you could hit all these different, you know, I think we would call these nouns and attach them to, you know, these different, I don't know if these are adjectives, I don't remember. But, you know, we got psychedelic, colorful, trippy, wood, rainbow. You know, what you could do is you could go ahead and you could do rainbow clouds painting. You could do wood, rainbow, wall art. You could do trippy art drawing, psychedelic print, and colorful canvas. And you're kind of hitting adjectives. Thank you, Ara. We got all, and we're kind of hitting all those different categories, you know, all the different mediums that people could kind of describe. Decor, again, that's a good one. So you do rainbow. You know, we already hit rainbow twice, but yeah, you could try something like you know, colorful. We did want to do clouds, so we could do colorful. You know, you could do rainbow, or no, we did rainbow clouds, yeah, but wall decor. Wall decor would be the last one. But I'll send you these keywords. Katie, I'll pop them into the chat for you right here. And that's going to be my suggestion. I think you need to put a wide variety of keywords and try and hit as many different keywords as you possibly could. So Etsy will then kind of figure out which ones work the best. Because I think you have a really great item. It's really pretty. It's cool. And it's unique. It's just going to be about finding the right people and where do people, you know, where are they attracted to it? Are they coming from rainbow? Are they coming from psychedelic or whatnot? What are the keywords that grab their attention? Now, I also think you should, if you've got some of your original paintings, you know, this is a great photo right here. It's so cute. You know, imagine that this is your little boy here. Such a cute painting and picture. And then this, you know, this is such a nice looking photo. I can see the depth of the color really stands out in the real painting here. I'm assuming this is the real one, the original. And you know, I think trying some other paintings kind of like this, photos like this, add a real element. I think this is one of the things about getting like one of these companies to print your stuff for you. It looks great. You know, they give you these real these nice photos that are staged, but we've seen it so many times now that the second we see it, it just gives you this like feeling like it's just not a real thing. Like, because we've all seen these drop, you know, the companies that, you know, print on demand, all these types of photos that it just, you know, there's just something about it that I think takes away from the original art. And I think if you used a photo like this showing the real original, it would grab people's attention more because you could just see the life and, you know, there's just something about it that grabs your attention differently than, you know, something like this. So if you have photos of the original artwork, I think staging those photos and taking pictures of it, and then just making it clear in your description that what they're ordering is a printed reproduction. And you can still include all of the other photos that show the print and what it will look like. But, you know, even the settings I feel are kind of just like, you know, giving you some, they're kind of, I don't know, just you wonder if somebody with like is the bedroom going to look like this around this piece of art? You know, it just feels like a bit of a mismatch sometimes. But I think you've got beautiful art. Take some of the real photos, use those, and then, you know, the next thing, of course, is just put more of those listings on your shop. You got a good little start with 5, but you definitely are going to want to have more than that. But love the shop, Katie. Love the artwork. Very, very cool.